Welcome to Breakaway Chiropractic, where we help you on your journey to higher health. Hey guys, what's going on? Dr. Hatch here with Breakaway Chiropractic. Today we're here with Brooklyn. She is a volleyball player. She's been coming in mid-back into her shoulders, pain through there, and then also her ankle. She just rolled her ankle a couple days ago. So we're going to check everything out. And all right, Brooklyn, let's go face down for me. Let's just see what's going on. All right. Yeah, you can see right through here it is bruised, especially on the top right here and the bottom. Where do you feel more of the pain? Like more up here or more down through here?
Lower.
Lower? Like right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Everything in the upper back has been feeling better, correct?
Yeah.
Good. All right, take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Relax that mid-back. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Deep breath in. Hold your breath on this one. Good. All right, I'm going to move this ponytail over here. We're going to drop this arm right here. Deep breath in. Exhale, let that shoulder drop for me. Good. All right, we're going to come right over here. We're going to drop this right arm. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder relax. Awesome. Holy moly. All right. Okay, you can see there's a lot of rotation right through here on this left side. Okay, do me a favor. We're going to lay on this right side. We're going to face the door for me. I'm going to move your shoe in the brace over here, okay? Let's pull this up for you. Bend this leg for me. All right. I'm going to pull you closer to me, just like that. Right through here. Good. One more for me. Right through there. There you go. All right, other side for me. Right through there. Give yourself a hug. Good. All right, on your back. And stand right here. Slide down just a tiny bit. Give yourself a big hug. Now roll towards me. Exhale, let that shoulder drop. Flip those arms the other way. Let's check out these foot. Do you mind if I pull this all the way up?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Any pain there?
No.
Push into me as hard as you can with your toes. Push, push, push. Any pain there?
No.
What if I pull?
Mm-mm.
Okay. You have strength there. It's definitely not torn. So whoever told you it was torn.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something
See,
else?
Siri doesn't agree either.
Yeah, Sari doesn't agree either. Right there.
Yeah.
If it's too much pressure, let me know, okay? Let's start working on some ankle alphabets, getting some mobility in there.
Mm-hmm. We'd probably put the lacer on it or something.
Mm-hmm. Sorry. Relax that foot for me as much as you can. Okay, I'm gonna get a quick pull through here. One more. There you go. Okay, come on up for me. Stand up on that, see how that feels in that ankle.
That's fine.
Take a couple steps for me. Any pain with walking on it?
No.
No? Cool. Alright guys, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.